Today is the 13th of June 2023. We have Tunnbindaregatan 45 here in Norrköping, Sweden. And this is another original Otis Series 1 elevator, Otis Europe 2000, with the original logo there on the door rail. It was built in late 1988, finished in 1989, was finished with 9 floors, Otis Europe 2000. Turning 35 years old this year, 2023. I'll sit down. I love the sounds in here.
Same here.
Helpers. The number is 74 and E4110. Capacity is 13 persons or 1000 kilograms.
Inspected by background, maintained by Otis, so no descriptives.
And it's just like the door close button.
Yeah.
But I don't know if the lights are original here, like the style, or
Yeah, probably not
Just
that
that.
time. So.
because those original ones are a bit different. Like
Yeah.
bulbs, they're like
Yeah,
in rows, but these are like 8 pieces.
yeah.
So it's a bit different.
Mm.
Weird. I mean, like the alarm.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
That's